Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Take only what resonates. So, mga gustong magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Reader, pwede kayo magpa-personal reading sa kanya. And if you want, pwede ka rin magpa-personal reading sa akin. Especially kung, nasa malayo ka, no? Wala ka sa Philippines. Kasi, ayan, limited time offer lang tong aking screenshot mo na lang. Ayan yung details. Anyway, let's start. Para dun sa mga nasa Philippines kasi meron tayong mga available reading na sa TikTok shop. Kaya lang yung iba kasi nasa malayo, hindi sila makaka-avail. Yung mga nasa ibang bansa. So anyway, what we have here for the sign of fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. You do here Four of Pentacles and Justice card. Person nakakonect ni fire sign. Nine of Wands and King of Cups. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay. So for what I can see here, pwedeng so ngayon you're being, sabihin na natin sarili mo muna iniisip mo. Especially pagdating sa career, work, partnership. Kumbaga kung ano yung gustong mangyari, yun na muna ang focus mo ngayon. Like, you're thinking about realidad ng buhay. And with the Justice card might be pwedeng nagiging honest ka sa sarili mo ngayon. Like, nagiging totoo ka sa sarili mo. If something is not possible, pwedeng nandun yung acceptance, pagtanggap na itong bagay na to ay imposible. And with the Four of Pentacles, I feel like some of you, you're focusing on saving money or maybe may mga pagkakagastosan ka na may kinalaman sa iyong savings. Ayan. And with the Nine of Wands, this is your person. Ilang beses mo siyang sinaktan or nasaktan sa'yo, but this person still loves you. Mahal ka niya. So part na ito, nakikita natin na ikaw ay pwedeng nagpapakita ng wala kang pakialam sa person na to. Or may mga bagay na ginawa mo na naging sakim ka pagdating sa connection ninyo. Pwedeng inisip mo yung sarili mo. Some of you maybe may partnership or may marriage na involved sa connection na ito, but it doesn't matter. Kung anong gusto mong gawin, gagawin mo. And then this person, nasaktan siya doon, but this person still loves you. Mahal ka niya. Ano yung emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa? For the sign of ano ba to? Fire sign. You have a lot of secrets. Nakikita natin yung mga sikreto mo with the Page of Wands. Maybe may kinalaman nito sa social media, sa iyong inbox. Yeah, maybe there's something there na itinatago mo regarding this person. Especially kung magkarelasyon kayo or may connection kayo na person na ito, maaaring may mga nililihim ka sa kanya. The person that you're dealing with, nakikita natin yung focus niya pagdating sa money. Gusto niya maging successful. The Knight of Cups, yeah, this person loves you. And you do have here the Two of Swords. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. I feel like may nakikita na itong taong itong mga red flags sa'yo. Maybe kung hindi lang ngayon, in the past. Pero nagiging, yung iba nagiging, sorry for the word, pero nakita natin yung person na ito nagiging tanga para sa'yo. Like, wala na siyang pakialam sa red flags. This person loves you. This person thinks na yung loyalty mo ay nasa kanya. But honestly, with the moon, you have a lot of secrets. With the page of wands, I feel like you're being immature. Ikaw yung nakikita natin na pwedeng you're focusing on material attachments. And yung iba guys ay sasabihin nila, hindi, ako yung niloko, etc. Yung mga nagko-comment ng ganon. Pwedeng kasi magkapaliktad ang reading. Pwedeng ikaw itong nasa kabila. But anyway, the way I see this is that ikaw itong nanloloko sa person mo. Okay? Because you want to have fun. You are more focused sa sarili mo eh. Kaya mo inaayos ang sarili mo, pinagaganda ang sarili mo, babae man or lalaki. It is because you're attracting other people. Pwedeng hindi ka na ganon ka-satisfied or hindi mo talaga gusto or hindi mo na ganon kagusto itong person na to. But I feel like some of you still, lalo na kung matagal na kayo magkarelasyon, maybe you still want marriage or okay lang naman yung connection or yung relasyon ninyo. Parang ganun. Gusto mo, if this person wants marriage, pwedeng gusto mo na rin. Parang ganun. But, with regards to playtime, pwedeng ganun. Nakikita mo yung mga kakonect mo or yung ibang tao as like a playtime para sa'yo. Parang kailangan ko rin naman maging masaya, kailangan ko rin maglaro, etc. That's your energy. So, what will happen in the future sa connection na ito for fire sign? Some of you walang idea itong person na ito. Or kung may idea siya, hindi niya masyadong pinapansin. And the 9 of Cups and the 6 of Swords is here. 10 of Pentacles, the Magician, and the Hanged Man. Yeah, this person is kind of like martyr. So, with the 9 of Cups, some of you may mga other options or may ibang options, iba kang kakonect. And with the 6 of Swords, you will be moving on from this connection. Maybe may mga endings with regards to those people or mga kakonect na yan. So, pwedeng may mga iba kang ka-chat or, ka-connect sa social media na mag-end yung connection or communication ninyo. But I can see you moving on from that connection. The 10 of Pentacles, this is showing us your person. I can see a lot of money. Ito, possible lang na magkaroon ng malaking pera or kumita kung gagamitin niya yung skills niya. Yeah, pero kung hindi niya gagamitin at patuloy lang siya maghihintay, I feel like medyo hindi niya ito makakamit. No? With the Tower, kailangan i-end niya yung ganong klaseng thinking. Kailangan gamitin niya yung mga talents niya, yung mga binigay sa kanya, mga offers sa kanya. And 9 of Swords at the bottom of the deck, maybe your person is thinking about stress, thinking about, marami ako responsibilidad, marami akong dapat gawain. So, might be, gustuhin man niyang ilabas yung talents niya, hindi niya ito magawa sa ngayon dahil sa mga kailangan niyang unahin or tapusin. And this person with the Hanged Man is a very patient person. So, sa nakikita natin, medyo martir itong taon to. So, kahit anong gawin mong panloloko, nandyan lang siya. Kasi, mahal ka niya. Willing siya intindihin ka. And as long na ipinapakita mo sa kanya minsan, there are times na pinapakita mo yung attention mo, parang kontento na siya doon. So thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.